Good morning, student. This is my second video of English for the student of class 9. In the previous video, I taught you some of the figure of speech. In this video, I am going to make you familiar with couple of chapters from your book Moments, which is supplementary book for class 9. The very first lesson is The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. This lesson highlights the attachment of child with their parents. This lesson also highlights the fact that parents may be miser. They may not fulfill all the demands of their children. Still, they remain valuable and lovable for their children. In this lesson, there is a child who goes to see fair with his parents. On the way to the fair, he finds many things, such as mustard fields, insect, butterflies, sometimes dove, which decrease his speeds. Time to time he lags behind. He also finds several toys being sold at various stalls. And he desired to have it, but he can't express his desire, considering that his demand will not be fulfilled. Reaching to the fair, he again finds several things, including sweets, garlands, balloons, the dance of a snake on the flute of a snake charmer. Still he suppresses his desire either to see the dance of a cobra or to have other things like balloon, sweets, etc. Considering that his demand would not be fulfilled. At last, near the roundabout, he desired to enjoy it, and for this he expresses his desire, but he finds his parents are not with him. A child feels the sense of security with his parents, but in the absence of their parent, feeling of insecurity develops in them. When the child finds that His parents are not with him. He begins searching them, but he can't find them. At the entrance of a temple, he is too suppressed in the crowd, but suddenly he is rescued by a young man. This young man tries to soothe him, console him, but he can't do this. In order to divert his attention, he offers him all those things, including sweets, garlands of gulmohar, balloons of different colors. In short, we can say this young man offers the boy everything that he had expressed his desire before his parents to have them. But this child refuses all these things, and he keeps saying one thing, that he wants his father, he wants his mother. This is the main theme of this story. Second lesson is the adventures of Toto. This story is written by Ruskin Bond. This lesson highlights the naughty activity or mischievous activity of a monkey named Toto. This monkey imitates everything like human, and he entertains the family by doing several mischievous work. But slowly, the mischievous work or activities begin creating problem for the entire family. Finally, the family of Ruskin Bond decide to get rid of monkey, and the family finally sends the monkey somewhere else. The third lesson is the Iswaran, the storyteller. The third lesson of this book is Iswaran, the storyteller. The story is written by R.K. Lakshman. This story highlights the tremendous power of fabricating story by the central character of this story called Iswaran, who was a servant of a caretaker of a construction company. Iswaran accompanies his master wherever he is sent, and he proves beneficial for his master, either for his entertainment or cooking. Iswaran has tremendous ability of making vegetable whatever he finds in the surrounding. So this is the main theme of this story. The fourth lesson of this book, called Moments, is in the kingdom of fools. This story, thou is a Kannada folk tale, still it is written by A.K. Ramanujan. This story highlights the fact that if the rule and regulation in a country, then it becomes, in a country, if the rule and regulation of a country is irrelevant, then it becomes the problem of everyone. And moreover, if the ruler of a country is foolish, then the subject or common people will have to act foolishly. Thank you.